low kick pulse. Raw sub bass thump. Closed hi-hats. Brass hits while auger. Close one, a bitter one, fast walk. Heavy kick. Deep bass hits. Passion riffs. No chemical, tribal feel. Snare rolls. Hi-hat speed up. Tension only. Still no melody. Drop one. Main runway. Stronger kick. Thicker sub bass. Open hats claps. Alistair Rebel. Kick him energy. Kick muted. Just your TV. Breath space for poses. Final private. Aggressive kick. Rolling bass rhythm. Fast aggression. No leads. No chords. Maximum movement energy. Energy, 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 energy. Single kick hits. Sudden stop. Kick pulse, roar sub bass thump, close hi-hats, no cease, no melody, blur one, a Betty 115, fast walk. Fast walk. Deep bass hits, division loops. Snare rolls, hi-hat speed up, tension only, no melody, drop one, main runway, stronger kick, thicker sub bass. Open hats claps, perfume, aerodrome, energy. Kick muted. Kick muted. Percussion chicken. Breast space for poses. Drop two. Final power. Aggressive kick. Rolling bass rhythm. Fast, no passion. No leads, no chords. Maximum movement. Energy. Energy. Single kick hits.
BPM, side chain pumping, perfect for runway walk. Bass filter down, hi-hat rolls, snare tension, Bill Blaze moment, only voice.